Hello and welcome back to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a light, crispy and citrusy treat, atta cookies or atta biscuits. These golden cookies are made with flour and a refreshing lemon twist. Let's get started. Add 1 teaspoon lemon zest, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 egg and 3 tablespoons sugar. Mix well. Don't skip the lemon zest, it gives the strongest lemon flavor. Lemon zest adds more flavor than lemon juice alone. Now add 1/4 cup oil and mix again. Gradually add 1½ cup flour. And combine into a dough. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Eggs add protein and structure to the cookies. Homemade cookies avoid preservative found in store-bought ones. Rub a little oil on your hands. Take some dough and make round shapes. Cut small marks on top as shown. Fry in medium heated oil for 7 to 8 minutes until golden brown and perfectly crisp. Lemon has been used in baking for centuries for its fresh aroma. These cookies are a popular tea time snack in many Asian homes. Keep the oil at medium heat to avoid burning. Let the cookies cool slightly before serving for a crunchy texture. Store in a airtight jar to keep them crispy for days. And your atta biscuits are ready to enjoy. Golden, crunchy and filled with lemony freshness, atta lemon biscuits are a simple but delightful snack for the whole family. Try this recipe at home and enjoy them with your evening tea. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Oven Cake and Cookies. What's your favorite cookie flavor? Chocolate, butter or lemon? Comment below and let us know.